Hi friends! Today we're gonna read My I Sound Box by Jane Belk Moncure, illustrated by Colin King. Little I had a box. I will find things that begin with my I sound, she said. I will put them into my sound box. Little I went skip, skip, skip up a hill. She found inchworms, lots of inchworms. The inchworms wiggled and wiggled. What wiggly inchworms, she said. Did she put the inchworms into her box? She did. Then Little I found iguanas. Lots of iguanas. The iguanas wiggled and wiggled. What wiggly iguanas, she said. She put the iguanas into her box with the inchworms. But the inchworms did not like the iguanas. The inchworms jumped over the box. Wow, wee, wee, wee. The iguanas jumped too. Away they went. Uh-oh. Little I could not find the inchworms or the iguanas. They were hiding. Then Little I found an igloo. Did she put the igloo into her box? She did. Just then, the sun came out. Guess what? The igloo melted. Boing, boing, boing. Now who will help me fill up my box? She said. Whee! A friend came by. I will help you, he said. We can fill your box with insects. First, they found big green insects. Lots of big green insects. Next, they found yellow insects and brown insects. And they found red and black insects. What else can we do? Said Little I. We can make an insect zoo. You can visit it too. Butterflies, beetles, moths, crickets, grasshoppers, praying mantis. Woohoo! Can we read these words with Little I? Ink, inch, infant, instruments, invitation, in. Little I has another sound in some words. She says her name, I. Can you read these words? Listen for Little I's name. Ice cubes, ice cream, icicle, ice skates, island, iceberg. Thank you for reading this story with me. See you next time.